McIntyre obviously on a different course now. Here's a part of Raw, and over the top, McIntyre. Oh, caught again on the top rope by Corbin.
That throat has taken a tremendous amount of damage.
And Corbin has had a very focused attack tonight against the WWE Champion. And with this brand new invitational rule, very few of these opportunities are going to come throughout the year. Corbin's got to try and capitalize here tonight.
Personality flaws aside, King Corbin is very well versed at using that ring to his advantage.
And look at Corbin, Joe, lifting the 265-pounder up from the apron to the top turnbuckle like that.
There's not many people who do that to Drew McIntyre ever.
Physically threatening part of town between King Corbin and Drew McIntyre.
That's a lot of mass.
Corbin.
It's really, really high, boys.
Corbin's got a hold of McIntyre. Superplex by the King. Corbin trying to roll over to the cover. Lashley and MVP looking on it.
Yeah, we've seen this before.
I led you to this. You followed me. That's all you are, is a follower.
Oh, McIntyre.
Oh.
McIntyre. Belly to belly. This is where McIntyre is dangerous. He gets angrier and angrier throughout these matches.
King Corbin just did a superb job of throwing logs on the fire.
And the WWE Champion now going up to the top turnbuckle.
He's going to take it to the air.
And crowning the King. Down goes Corbin.
And the champ is up.
A follower. That looks like a dumb follower to you. Get your ass up, Corbin. Get your ass up.
Oh, King Corbin, do you realize what you just done?
And a message for Lashley. And MVP. Now look at McIntyre. The strength. Oh, and Corbin able to get down off the shoulders. Trying to slow down McIntyre.
Slide buster.
Down goes Corbin into the cover. And oh, McIntyre nearly had him.
Now it's Corbin perched on the middle.
Right to the midsection. Future shock DDT, and down goes Corbin.
The second attempt worked out well for the champion, and Drew McIntyre is in his zone.
And I'm measuring Corbin. Are we in for a countdown?
This moment for such a long time.
Waiting for it.
McIntyre doesn't forgive, and he doesn't forget.
2, 1.
All right, got him! Got him with Deep Six. Corbin, can he pin the WWE title?
Just barely.
A kick out by McIntyre. And now the distractions that we're building up for McIntyre may be playing a part here for Corbin. Well, trying to set up for end of days.
Oh, give us a kiss.
The Glasgow Kiss. Now Corbin. Again,
Say the rebound, watching out.
onto the ropes. Look out! Claymore!
Oh, on the mark.
A Claymore